If Minecraft Bedrock Edition won't launch and shows failed to start game, don't worry. This usually happens because of broken gaming services, account sync issues, or corrupted app data. Let's fix it the easiest way. First, restart your PC. This clears temporary system glitches that often stop Minecraft from launching. Next, check for updates in Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store, go to Library, and Update. Minecraft Bedrock Edition Xbox app gaming services missing updates are one of the most common causes of this error. Now, repair Minecraft. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find Minecraft. Click Advanced Options, then choose Repair. If Repair doesn't work, use Reset. This won't remove your purchases, but it may reset local settings. After that, sign out and sign back in to the Xbox app. Open the Xbox app, sign out, close the app, reopen it, and sign back in with the correct Microsoft account. If the game still won't start, reinstall gaming services, open PowerShell as administrator, and run get Apex package Microsoft.gaming services. Remove Apex package, a losers start MS Windows Store. Dachtas PDP page produced by Rebinks 9 MWPM 2 CQN LHN. Then reinstall gaming services from the store. Also, disable overlays and background apps like Discord or screen recorders. Finally, restart your PC and launch Minecraft again. In most cases, repairing gaming services and updating the Xbox components fixes the issue completely.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.